Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmet. Today I'm gonna introduce you a beautiful apartment in Istanbul, Turkey. But first I wanna introduce you the complex. So basically this complex has a lot of things. For example, this complex has a swim pool. Look at this beautiful pool, guys. You can come here with your family, with your friends, by yourself and enjoy. This is another picture of the pool. This pool looking really big and clean. And also they have a gym. Look at this gym, guys. It's beautiful. They have everything. Look at these dumbbells. It's so much. They have sauna. They have hammam. Look at this hammam, guys. It's beautiful. And look at this complex, guys. It's beautiful, clean. It's safe. They have a really cool buildings, houses. This is the outside of complex. Look at this view. They have a lot of places to chill. You can come here, chill with your family, friends, by yourself, enjoy your time. Look at this beautiful place, guys. Another one. Beautiful buildings, beautiful grass. If you have a kids, you can come here and enjoy the moment. Take a picture for Instagram. You can sit there and watch your kid. The complex is beautiful, guys. Come on. What can I say? Look at this complex. Look at these houses. Okay, let me show you the inside, guys. This is the balcony. You have really beautiful view. You can sit here with your family, with your friends and enjoy the view with coffee. This is inside, guys. It's looking so clean, fresh, white. The left side is probably living room and right side is kitchen. When you came here, the living room, you can see the beauty of the living room, guys. The living room have a lot of windows, so the inside looking so good. This is the kitchen. You can see it's new, fresh. They didn't take it off the stickers yet, so you can go and take care of the stickers. The kitchen looking good, looking rich, looking elite. This is one of the room, looking fresh, huge windows. This is another room and this is another room. This house has a 3 room and this room is the best room because it's probably the most biggest room in this house. This is the bathroom, looking fresh, looking clean. This is another bathroom. Okay guys, if you have questions, if you wanna learn more about this apartment or like these apartments, you can contact me from WhatsApp or Instagram. I'm gonna help you about everything. I'm gonna answer all of your questions. Thanks for watching and take care.